After you've been injured in an accident in Porterville, you generally have 2 years to file a personal injury claim. There are a few important exceptions though. For instance, after an accident in which a minor was injured, the clock doesn't start until they turn 18. Meanwhile, if your accident involved a government entity, like a collision with a postal vehicle or slip and fall at a school, you only have 6 months. It's always good to take action as soon as possible though. Evidence of your accident can be lost and eyewitnesses might be harder to get in touch with, which can hurt your personal injury claim. And the more quickly you start treating your injuries, the better for your long-term health. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you know has been injured in an accident in Porterville, contact Maison Law right away.